International community. The application of Thai law on Cambodian territory is an act of aggression that must be condemned. Under close observation, since the official ceasefire agreement between Cambodia and Thailand was reached in Malaysia, it has become evident that Thailand has been, and continues to, blatantly violate the ceasefire agreement. These violations have taken the form of continuous encroachments into Cambodian territory and attempts to impose Thai law on land that is legally and sovereignly under Cambodian jurisdiction. This action is not only a breach of Cambodia's sovereignty and independence, but also a violation of universally recognized international rights and laws. Although Cambodia has made efforts to remain patient, focusing on peace and honoring the ceasefire, we cannot overlook Thailand's actions which infringe on Cambodian territory and violate the rights of Cambodian civilians. The rights of Cambodian citizens to live on their land are permanent and non-negotiable and cannot be shared with any individual or country. Thailand's aggression seems to stem from the belief that it has some justification or urgency to claim the disputed areas along the Cambodia-Thailand border by means of bloodshed and military expansion. What is ridiculous is that Thailand has applied its own laws on Cambodian land as a show of its might and a subtle attempt to infringe upon Cambodia's sovereignty. Nevertheless, historical records and numerous international treaties have clearly defined the territory of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Any violation of this undermines international law and the foundational principles of ASEAN. Cambodia has a clear stance. Peace is the goal, and patience is the vital method. Avoiding the use of force and waiting for the right opportunities while remaining steadfast is a strategy that can lead Cambodia to a victorious and peaceful outcome for the benefit of both nations. However, this does not mean that Cambodia will remain silent or ignore these actions. The Kingdom of Cambodia is and will continue to use diplomatic measures and engage with the international community, including ASEAN and relevant multilateral platforms, to ensure that no part of Cambodia's sovereign rights is lost to Thai aggression. As Cambodian citizens, we must stand united in defending our land and nation. National unity amplifies Cambodia's voice on the international stage, and our leadership takes this very seriously. At the same time, we urge international organizations and friendly nations not to tolerate such violations against Cambodia. Support from the international community is crucial for ensuring peace and stability in the region and the legal rights of Cambodia. The Cambodian people should be fully aware that our country is pursuing a strategy: patience, legal adherence, and international cooperation. Waiting for the right time and showing restraint is not weakness, but it is a deliberate path toward a dignified and lasting victory. Thailand's act of encroachment and imposition of its laws on Cambodian land constitutes a serious breach of international law that must be unequivocally condemned. While Cambodia remains committed to peace, it also maintains a firm and uncompromising stance and seeks comprehensive cooperation with national and international communities. We must also clearly understand that Cambodia is capable enough to safeguard her sovereignty, but our leadership has chosen the path of patience, not out of weakness, but to prevent a return to bloody conflict. Instead, what we aspire to is a victory marked by honor, dignity, integrity, and everlasting peace. That is the noble wish of the people and the solid foundation that will secure our clear borders and permanently end the dispute. Without more death, injury, or suffering between the nations of Cambodia and Thailand in the future. By Pin Vishay, political science scholar,